Did you know Hyatt will literally give you a free night just for trying different hotels? And you might already be halfway there without realizing it? If you're part of the World of Hyatt program or thinking about joining, there are two super underrated features you need to know about: the Brand Explorer and Hyatt's targeted offers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Brand Explorer works, how you can track your progress toward free nights, and how to make use of those Hyatt offers that can save you money and earn you a ton of bonus points. I'll walk through it step by step so you can follow along and start maximizing your stays right away. Let's take a look. The first thing you'll do is go to Hyatt.com and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can go ahead and create one now. From there, you go ahead and click your name in the upper right corner and then go down to Account. On the account page, we're going to take a look at two sections: Brand Explorer and My Offers. The Brand Explorer page shows you all of Hyatt's brands and highlights the ones you've stayed at. For every 5 unique brands you stay at, you earn a free night. You can see I've stayed at 6 unique brands, which means I've earned a free night and I've started towards my second free night. Free nights are usable at category 1 through 4 Hyatts, and they expire 1 year from the date they are earned. If you have a significant other, consider using both accounts to maximize the number of Explorer free nights you can earn. For example, once you've stayed at a Hyatt Regency, you can use your significant other's account the next time you stay at a Hyatt Regency, so you're both making progress towards your next free night. While you may not always be able to stay at a new-to-you brand, the Brand Explorer program makes it worthwhile to explore new brands when they're available in your destination city. Now let's jump over to the My Offers page. The first thing to notice there are 2 tabs, a Registered tab and an Available tab. First, let's take a look at the Available tab. The Available tab will list any offers that are available to you but that you have not registered for. I make a habit of registering for all offers. That way, if I forget to check and end up booking a Hyatt, if there's an offer available, I will already have it applied. And that's why it shows no available offers, simply because I've already registered for all the available offers and they'll show up on the Registered tab. Now let's look at registered offers. Note that some offers are targeted, so different people may see different offers. What I will show you here is just an example. How you use offers will depend on what offers are available to you as well as your planned trips. Each offer has a registered date and an offer date. The registered date is the date that you registered for the offer, and you must register for the offer before booking a stay that qualifies for the offer. The second is the offer date range. This is the range of days in which the offer is valid. It is possible that your stay spans either the first or the last day in this range, so you'll want to check the offer details to find out how that applies. In general, it's good to dig into the offer details anyways, just so that you understand exactly how the offer works. If we scroll down just a touch, we can see a little bit more on the offers. You may notice there are 2 offers available for the under canvas properties, and they overlap during the month of June. It is possible to take advantage of both offers at the same time as long as you've registered for them before booking your stay. Let's look more closely at those 2 offers. This first offer earns you 2,000 bonus points per night on stays between March 13th and July 1st. So for a 4-night stay, you'll earn 4 times 2,000 or 8,000 points in addition to any points you already earn as a World of Hyatt member. The second offer is limited to World of Hyatt credit card members, which are those that have a Hyatt branded credit card. Using a Hyatt credit card to book a stay at a Hyatt typically earns you 9 points per dollar spent. That's 4 points for using your Hyatt card, plus the base 5 points you earn for any stay at a Hyatt. This offer, however, is giving you 20 total points, which is 11 points on top of those base 9 points that you're already earning. Given the extra 11 times point earning on this offer, you may find it worth considering paying for an under canvas stay with your Hyatt card, even if you have enough points to stay for free. Let's take a quick look at a real example. So let's take a look at under canvas Great Smoky Mountains. I picked a date in that overlapping range from June 16th to June 20th, which is a 4-night stay. The 4 nights cost a total of $716.40 pre-tax, which is how the points are calculated, which would earn you 14,320 points using the 20x multiplier. Now, when we combine this offer with the other offer, we earn an additional 8,000 points on top of that 14,320. So for this single stay, we're earning 22,320 Hyatt points. Now these offers work in combination with the Brand Explorer program as well. So if you haven't already stayed at an under-campus property, this stay also counts toward your progress on the Brand Explorer program, and that puts you one brand and one step closer to another free night. So if you're already staying at Hyatt branded hotels or you are considering it, using these programs can help you earn points faster and get more free nights with little extra effort. I hope this quick walkthrough of these programs has been helpful. Check out our channel for more travel-related videos, and please like and subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.